जय श्रीमन्नारायण 281st नामं फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम्। ओम मंत्राय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, if your namam is associated with pranavam, that means Omkaram, and Namaha Shabdam, if your namam is associated with pranavam and Namah Shabdam, that becomes mantram. The one who ever chants mantra, they are addressing you directly. That means the moment they think about you through that mantra, you are the one who will be protecting them, who will be saving them, who will be removing them from the cycle of birth and death. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Mantraya Namaha. Om Mantraya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana, Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, everybody started from Ayodhya to see Ramachandra Swami along with Bharata. All the people have dressed very well, decorated very well, and they are all feeling so happy. Every soldier, every warrior feeling so happy because they are going to see Rama. Prahrushta Mudita Sena. With so much of happiness, all the people, all the soldiers following Bharata, they all reached Srungiberapuram, one of the villages. And there it is Ganga river flowing. Bharata now addressing the entire army along with Mantri, along with ministers and Purohitas, saying that, "Ho Purohitas, for today, let us rest over here. And tomorrow we can cross this Ganga river and then we can go to Rama. Today I am going to be taking a dip in this Ganga Nadi, and also I am going to give tarpanas to my father Dasharatha Maharaju with Ganga Jalam, Aurdhva Deha Nimittardham, for my father to get other worlds and eternal happiness. I am going to do tarpanam in this Ganga river with Ganga Jalam for my father." Then all the ministers and Purohitas, they said, "That is good, that is okay." Then they all arranged entire army to rest over there itself in different places. That Srungiberapuram, that village and entire of that jurisdiction is under the ruling of Guha. Guha has seen such a huge army resting over there. Guha immediately called on his own people and saying to them that, "Look at this army, such a huge army, it is looking like a ocean. I can't even find where does this army starting point and ending point. Such a huge army. But when I see the chariots, the flags on the chariots definitely giving me a knowledge that this entire army belongs to Ikshvaku, the dynasty. Definitely this is Ikshvaku Sainyam. Durbuddhihi Bharataha Swayam. Guha is addressing his own people, saying that definitely Bharata agataha. Bharata came over here with ill mind, ill thoughts, evil thoughts. He came over here. My dear people, it is for sure this Kaika's son, whatever Kaika is having a mind, thoughts in the mind, evil mind, so also her son also will be having same kind of evil thoughts. So this Bharata definitely is going to either put all of under his custody, take all of us under his custody, or he will kill every one of us. He is now trying to go and kill Rama because Bharata has a long craving to get his kingdom back, so that whenever again Rama comes back, he might probably come and ask for kingdom. That is why this Bharata came here to remove the Rama forever from his happiness. Like this, Guha saying to his people and saying that is why, in order to protect our Ramachandra Swami, let us all get ready, because Rama is my master, Rama is my friend, Bharta chaiva, Sakha chaiva, Ramo Dasaradhir mama. Rama is everything to me. Now for us, the very responsibility is to protect Rama. That is why you all get ready. Immediately make arrangements to get 500 boats. Every boat should have at least 100 very young great warriors in every boat. And from this moment onwards, let us all be here, let us all eat here, let us all keep a very keen observation on this army. Oh my dear people, Guha is addressing his own people. Oh my dear people, if at all we come to know that Bharata did not come here to kill Rama, that Bharata did not come here with any kind of evil mind. Bharata came here with a good mind, good mindset. Then what we can do is, let us all help this entire army and Bharata cross this Ganga river. Like this, Guha addressed all his people, made all of them ready, and then he has taken some gifts and some food material to give it to Bharata as a courtesy. He has taken all of those things, and Guha is walking towards the place where Bharata is staying there. At the same place where Bharata is staying, Sumantra is also there. Sumantra noticed Guha coming towards Bharata's stay place. Sumantra went inside and told Bharata that your brother's Ramachandra Swami's best friend Guha is coming to meet you. Guha is the one who rules this entire place. Guha knows each and every corner of this dense forest. So, oh Bharata, you talk to Guha. Guha must be knowing where exactly Sita Rama Lakshmana are. To find out whereabouts of Sita Rama Lakshmana, you talk to Guha. Like that, Sumantra is saying to Bharata, and Guha is walking towards Bharata's stay place. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे सीतारामा हे हे सीतारामा. 30th श्लोका from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Vojastejo द्युतिधरः प्रकाशात्मा प्रतापनः रुद्धः स्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रः चन्द्रांशुः भास्करद्युतिः. ॐ सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.